Welcome back, everybody, to another video, and today we are heading back to WoodRidge. So this is a track about an hour north of Perth, and it's a great family track. It's a great place to learn, some good sandy corners, it's pretty hard pack, but at the end of the day, it's pretty beginner, but it is still a lot of fun out here. So we're going to be going around the track. We're going to be covering the motocross track and the inner mini supercross track, if you want to call it that. They do have a lot of sand trails as well in this area. There's a couple of kids tracks. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave the link here. You can check my son doing it. But for now, we're going to hop on my 450 and we're going to go do a couple of quick laps. Let's go.
All right, so we got 4 minutes of footage left on this camera. I want one lap of the motocross track and one of the interior before this dies. So let's go. My goodness. Whoa! Fuck, I'm getting all over the place. Calm down. Breathe. corner. Fuck, if only just had a little bit of water. That's all, G. Now you go to be cool on camera. No pressure. Dust. Can't fucking see! It's impossible! I could keep up with that guy, I guarantee it. The track is not watered, and like I cannot see fucking anything. Like I'm completely blind, full pinning it. Annoying. And all the guys are here, like, that's one thing I'm gonna say that seems to be kind of annoying with this place. Like, give us some fucking water. Like, just a little bit to control the dust. Like, you can't ride with your mate at all in these conditions. Like, it's legitimately. You're just having a mouthful of fucking bull dust, and like legitimately, if they could just allow us to turn the fucking sprinklers on, just give us 10 minutes. 10 minutes. for. And like, the owners are here. Like, the owners are here. They're doing some sort of maintenance or cleanup. And like, they realize, they can see how fucking dusty this fucking track is right now. Like, for the love of God, get some fucking water and let us wet the track. Because that's how you have fun with your mates, is like racing each other, being like right behind each other. Bro, there was no fucking chance at all I was gonna be able to hang. Just because of the dust. Like, you guys would have seen that. We were fucking completely blind, and I was flicking up into third. Like, if he had gone down, or if there was a fucking, who knows. Just way too dodge. Way too dodge.